as human beings get to choose to be responsible and powerful or to give our power away. I was watching a documentary about a boy who was bitten by a radioactive spider. Okay, it was Spider-Man, it wasn't a documentary, whatever, and the main line was that you heard a documentary, you thought it was important, right? So the main point is about, with great power comes great responsibility. So I'm asking you, every single time you respond to something, every single time, what's that new word that irresponsible people have? Trigger, because other people say stuff instead of realizing that you're getting yourself upset. Just notice how you do that to yourself in the world of reality. When you step outside here, totally blame the rest of the world, and, how's that working? Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.